The President of Appeal Court, Justice Monica Dongban-Mensem, says the court received 6,017 appeals from 20 divisions in the 2021-2022 legal year.
Based on the statistics, a total of 6,017 appeals and 13,896 motions were filed in the 20 divisions of the court during the 2021-2022 legal year.
The president said this in Abuja at an event to mark the beginning of the 2022-2023 legal year. She also said that 13,896 motions were filed, while the court determined 5,188 appeals and disposed of 8,018 motions.
In the said period under review, the court determined 5,188 appeals and disposed of 8,018 motions, while 3,951 of these appeals were dismissed, 1,237 were allowed. Thus, the number of pending appeals as at 31st of August 2022 are 34,037.
She craved maximum cooperation from the bar to build a judiciary on the tenets of justice.
We must bear in mind that the legal profession is the very foundation holding the social, economic, and political cohesion of this country. I therefore call upon the bar to be the guardians of the law and legality, shunning sharp practices, and desist from filing frivolous, futile, and speculative appeals. The legal practitioners must be conscious of the rules of the professional conduct and shun all unethical, corrupt, and insidious practices that can bring disrepute to our noble profession.
Speaking, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, said the improvement of judges' welfare was ongoing.
I wish to note that the government also makes special budgetary provision to cater for special assignments associated with national elections. The federal government, under the leadership of President Muhammadu Buhari, will not relent on its oars in quest for increased funding for judiciary.
Similarly, the new president of the Nigeria Bar Association spoke on the challenges and way forward.
As the profession that exists to ensure that justice is served in the society, to underscore the importance of justice, a people can exist without religion, but they cannot exist without justice. My lords, our resource person also noted that justice is the settlement of differences and conflicts between individuals, societies, people, and nations, such that everyone leaves the table with a fulfilled sense of justice, equity, and fairness according to the laws of the land as enshrined in the Constitution and other subsidiary legislations. It is therefore not surprising that now more than ever, the people of Nigeria look up to the legal profession, the bench and the bar, for the recovery, reformation, and repositioning of this nation, which they understand can only happen through a deliberate pursuit of justice and must be led by the legal profession. In this regard, the existence of a strong and independent judiciary is critical in the attainment of that state of affairs, where justice will not only be present, but also be seen to be present.